New Hypebeast mystery box today. It's kind of new, I mean. This one is still from Soul Steals, the best place to get mystery boxes. However, it's a new box because it's a different tier of boxes that hasn't been on Soul Steals before. Typically, the price values are $250, $500, $750, $1,000, and then on occasion, $2,000 boxes. This one is actually a $1,500 box though, so it should be kind of interesting because it's higher tier, not at the upper echelon of like 2,000, but it's still very up there. I mean, anything over $1,000 on mystery items is insane, right? So $1,500 Hypebeast mystery box from Soul Steals, that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. I don't know if you guys keep up with the series, but the last Hypebeast mystery box was a crazy shape. It was like a very, very long box for one, which we typically don't see. This is a lot more the standard. But that one had the Supreme mat, it had the Mizuno bat, it had a whole bunch of stuff we've never seen on this channel before. And honestly, that Supreme mat, I didn't know at the time, but it is a super rare piece. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll actually link it up here somewhere. But yeah, we're kind of back to reality now with like this standard size box. It's like an average shoebox kind of shape. No shoes in here, obviously, is what I'm assuming. Yeah, it doesn't sound like there's any shoes in here, but it should be pretty fun. I did purchase this box from soulsteals.com. A lot of you guys have probably heard of Soul Steals as it is already. They're the #1 membership website to get Hypebeast mystery boxes, guys. I went over all of those tiers in the beginning. So nice because they can fit whatever budget you're looking for. Obviously, like the higher up you go in value, the better your return will be on your investment. Because for like $250 boxes, you're not expecting to make any money at all at that level. It'd be more just getting things at value. Whereas the 2,000 boxes and the 1,500s, I'm hoping, are boxes where you can actually make pretty good amounts of money. So if you guys do want to check out Soul Steals though, highly recommend it. Check it out in the description below. Soulsteals.com. I've been doing it for like over a year now. No regrets at all. Let's get into this, guys. $1,500 box. Okay, this over here. First impressions look interesting. First things first though, I think these things are like the travel bags where you put like your toothbrushes, toothpaste, all of like the liquid kinds of goods and stuff that you'll bring with you on vacation. It is kind of dope. I think this is the one that just came out this past season, so yeah, not a bad piece. See the value on the screen right now, so just kind of follow along with that and see if we actually made money. But good first piece. Next up, we got a Supreme shirt, it looks like. So this is actually not bad. It's a very thick cotton, it feels like too. It says Supreme over here and Supreme running across right here. Size large, 100% cotton, no wonder it's so thick. I like simple shirts like this, man. Pretty nice piece. No idea what the value of this one is. Kind of like this though, might end up keeping it. The problem is 100% cotton in Hawaii. Not typically a good idea. For those of you local guys that are like watching from the 808 state, it has been actually really cold. I don't know how, but that's the reason why I'm wearing this denim jacket today. But I love it because you can actually dress in layers and you know, it's not just a t-shirt and shorts. I know, kind of a tangent there, but living in Hawaii is a lot different than wherever you guys are living. Trust me, it's way different. All right, next thing out is a Supreme dollar tee. These were actually going for quite a bit of money at one point, man. I was never big on this shirt, so I'm gonna leave it in the bag because buyers do want these things like in bags if possible. But you guys can look at it on screen over here. Literally just a Supreme dollar shirt. Ooh, okay. Okay. All right, so we got 2 items left in here. This one is a Supreme TNF. Okay, Supreme TNF waterproof backpack. I didn't even notice this was TNF, man. What season is this from? Pull it out for you guys over here. It is a red TNF backpack. You guys can see Supreme running down the side over here. You can see the back over here, more Supreme branding. And then of course, North Face over here. Standard backpack, red color. So I'm assuming this is a good amount of value up on the screen. But in terms of like functionality in the real world, not sure how cool it is to have everything you have seen through, you know, like people know exactly what to steal from you basically if they can see through your backpack. And you know, that's why I never understood like those off-white like travel suitcases that were completely see-through. It really made no sense to me why you would want people to see all of your luggage. For one, that's awkward, like they're gonna be seeing like a lot of your personal belongings. But for two, it's just, it makes no sense. Like thieves will go for that, not only just for the stuff inside, but they'll steal the actual luggage too. I mean, that's expensive luggage and people know. So I never really understood the see-through kind of stuff. With that being said though, I know that is not the money piece of the box. I have seen the money piece. It's pretty crazy, guys. It's crazy. Because what we have here is a legendary piece. This is the TNF parka, the TNF mountain parka to be exact. I am not going to open this up because I know what it looks like already. I'll show you guys on screen up here. The reason why I know what it looks like is because I copped this one manually last year or 2 years ago now. Whenever it was a manual cop, and it was a freaking crazy experience. Because for one, other than the box logos, the TNF Supreme drops are usually like the hardest things to cop. But somehow I got really lucky and copped this like manually for retail. It's just really cool to see another one come through in a hype box. This is actually a really dope piece. I highly recommend it if you guys are like Supreme collectors. I don't know, it just has a different vibe about it. Unless you're in the Hypebeast scene, this is like weird. Like for most people when they look at it, it's like, why are you wearing a mountain on your jacket? But for guys in the Supreme know-how, they're like, oh my god, that's a TNF mountain parka. So pretty dope to have in a hype box. Very, very dope actually. I'm actually really excited about that. It's like, it's just one of the best designs. Like what would be even cooler than that is to get like the Ball Toro, which is the same thing except a lot heavier, which I couldn't wear. And I'll address it now, I guess, is that you guys have noticed, some of you guys have noticed at least, I don't have the by any means necessary in the back anymore. The reason why is because I sold those. It's too hot, guys. I can't wear those things in Hawaii. It doesn't make any sense. I tried, but I couldn't do it. It was just way too hot. The parkas though, they're not as bad. I mean, it's still bad as Hawaii, but it's actually usable. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. Might just hold on to it, honestly, to keep it on ice and then sell it later, because I have a feeling these are gonna be like one of the classic Supreme pieces down the line. Like it will be up there in terms of like one of the most legendary pieces in like 5 or 6 years from now. So if you have the ability to hold items like these in hype boxes or beater boxes for that matter, the ability to hold an item that you see value in, that you think will go up over time, is like super important, guys. So that's the one that I think will grow a lot over time. So I'm like investing stock basically into it and holding on it just so that I can hopefully make a couple extra $100 down the line. Something to think about when you guys are going through all of this stuff. Anyway, that is it for this video. I think it was a great haul. First box from the $1,500 series, and I'm not disappointed at all. I actually really like this set. So very nice cops. And that's why Soul Steel's mystery boxes are like the most fun, because I know for sure I'm gonna get value from there. So thanks again for watching this video, guys. I really love sharing my excitement with you guys when I open up these boxes. Like it's just so much fun, and it's cool seeing like you guys like just, I don't know, having good reactions through the boxes as well. It means a lot to me. It means a lot that you guys watch. Stay tuned. There will be a lot more hype boxes in the future, a lot more beater boxes. Be sure to hit that sub button if you guys have not already. Hit that notification bell if you guys want to see these videos first, and comment down below what you guys thought of this box. Anyway, I gotta go clean up now, and it's getting a little bit hot in this thing because these lights are just all over the place on me. So anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.